Okay, welcome to this video. In this video, I want to learn how to create a crypto Bitcoin investment website with WordPress. Okay, with this video, you are not going to write any single line of code. It's just pure WordPress. Okay, first of all, go to your cPanel and you install your WordPress. Okay, install WordPress. So what we are going to do is to click on install right away. So from there, you select the domain name you want to install your WordPress. I want to install it in this domain name. So for your own, if you buy your domain name and hosting, you are going to see only the domain name and hosting you bought here. Sorry, you are going to see the domain name and hosting you are going to buy here. Okay, so I will select my domain name. I'll just scroll down and click on install. So I can write here crypto website. You can also decide to do this later anyway. I'll just copy it and I'll paste it same here. Okay, then I will just use this password. So you can choose your preferred password. Username, I can say this. Okay, oh my god. I can say this for username. Okay, and the next thing, I will just leave this password. Let me copy it in a safe place. Let me open my notepad and copy it here. I'll paste it here, and I can also save the password, the username as well, so that if I want to log into the WordPress dashboard, I will be able. Okay, so just scroll down and click on install. In few seconds, the WordPress will be installed directly to your domain. Also, it has finished installing. The next thing to do is open this in a new tab. Also put this in a new tab. This is the back end and this is the front end. So this is the front end here and this is the back end. So whatever you are doing, you want to create your website, you would create it from the back end and the result will show in the front end. So I will just, what do I need to do here? WP admin dashboard. I'll just go to my admin dashboard. Okay, awesome. So you dismiss this. Yeah, so dismiss this. So I don't need all of this. So this is simply an advert from the dashboard, name sheet advert. So just come here and click on dashboard. Awesome. So you can also dismiss this. I like to keep my working environment very clean, so just leave it like this. And the first thing I have to do is to go and click on the appearance. I'll click on plugins. Okay, I click on add plugin. Okay, then I'll select Elementor. So it's loading guys. Let's give it some time. So Elementor website builder. Okay, I'll just go with this install now. It's installing guys. I'll click on activate. Okay, so that's for that. I can say startup, or I'll skip it. Let me skip this setup. I'll skip it one more time. I just close it and go back to my admin dashboard. So this is my dashboard, and the first thing I have to do is to click on all pages. Okay, these are default pages that came with this WordPress. So the next thing I have to do is to make sure I move them to trash, apply. Awesome. So I create my own page, add new page. It's loading guys. Let's give it some time. So I have to go and install these plugins called, let me go to my WordPress dashboard. Okay, so install this plugin called Classic Editor. Click on add plugin and click on Classic Editor. Classic Editor. Oh, the spelling is not correct, so ensure you have the correct spelling be written there. So just click on install now. And the other thing, once it finishes installing, just click on activate. Any plugin you install, you have to activate it to make it active and working. So I'll go back to my pages and I'll say add new page at this time. So that's why I installed the Classic Editor. As you can see, it gives me a very simple interface to work with. So I'll just write home, okay, home page, and I'll click on publish. So as you can see, because of the plugin, Elementor plugin that I installed, that is why it's showing here edit with Elementor. So I just go with edit with Elementor. It's loading guys. Let's give it some time. So I'll just skip this and okay, this is not what I want to do first, because it's not giving me what I wanted to do. So I understand I did install one plugin, so I'll just go back to my WordPress dashboard to install the plugin. So the plugin is missing now, that's why it's giving me the interface. I just add new plugins. So I will say starter template, Elementor starter template. So that will enable you to import a pre-made template. Install now. Then once it's finished install, you click on activate. Awesome. So build with AI, no. Build with template, yes. Click on it. You click on Elementor. So that's just it. So the next thing you are going to, once you finish synchronizing, template library, then you'll be able to choose from a pre-made template instead of building from scratch. So there are over 1000 templates here, as you can see. So let me try to figure out the number it is. So we have premium, we have all, we have popular, we have latest. So let me try to figure out the number of templates here. Oh, that's not really important, by the way, but let me choose a crypto template if I can find one. Crypto. Just search for your preferred template. I'm trying to look for crypto plugin or okay. Cryptocurrency. Let me type it in full. Let me see. Forex. It's no match. So let me see. Bitcoin. So there's no crypto or forex template. So the logic is that you just import anyone that you can easily work with. Okay, as you can see, there are over 1000 pre-made templates here that you can choose from. Okay, so all you just have to do is to just click on anyone that is free. There is premium, there is free. Okay, so as you can see, these are premium. So you just take your time to choose any of the free pre-made template. Okay, so this one would have been better for me, but it's a premium template. So I didn't upgrade to premium template on this starter template. So what I want to do is just to look for a free template. Okay, start learning a new language today. So it's just the logic. So this is a WordPress website. I wanted to just choose a crypto template, but since it's not available, let me go with anyone that is available. And if you are good in WordPress, you can actually customize it to your taste. Anyone you choose, any free template you choose, you can actually customize it to your taste. So if you need any crypto front end, WordPress front end, and you want to don't want to waste your time in building the front end, you can also contact me, and I also send existing one for you, and or I'll build from scratch for you. So we also have HTML, crypto or forex trading, most especially crypto trading, crypto websites, investment websites, front end. We also have it, and we can also assist you with it if you need it from us. So, but without wasting much of our time here, let me just go with one. There's one I really want to go with. Let me go with this. Since this is a free template, I'll just click on it. It's loading, guys. Let's give it some time. Awesome. So the next thing is to click on continue. So once you click on continue, so you have to, let me uncheck this. If you are building this for your client, you can just check this SEO search and visibility. So this is for practical purpose and educational purpose. I'll just leave this, and I'll leave every other thing unchecked. So, and I can say continue. Awesome. So I'll say my name is this, and I'll say I'm an expert. You can put I'm a beginner, so you can leave this email here, and you can say I'm building for myself and company, but you can put that for your client, but you can see for anything at all. If I just pass this place and I understand, okay, click there and say submit and build my website. Okay, so we are building your website. So we are going to wait patiently for this page to get to 100%, then go to the next phase of this video. So as you can see, it's already in 19%. Okay, now it's 100%. So you can say visit site, okay, or finish setup. So let me just click on visit site. It's loading guys. Let's give it some time. Awesome. As you can see, this is our website. With the help of this starter template, you don't need to build all your pages from scratch. All you just have to do, if you are good in WordPress, you can just edit them according to your client taste or according to your taste. For example, if you want to maybe edit this front end, all you just have to do is to click on edit with Elementor. Okay, so it's loading guys. Let's give it some time. So while it's loading, you can just go to, for example, ChatGPT. Okay, you can go to ChatGPT to look for text that you are going to use to fill or replace the one that came with this starter template WordPress. So why is it open? Why is opening? You can say please write a crypto website content for me, including the tag and the headings. Simple as that. So let's check. So as you can see, you can just click on this place, and this text you can be able to remove all the text from here and you replace with your, for example, ChatGPT is still thinking. Awesome. I didn't use the prompt very well. So let me see. ChatGPT is giving me code. Still giving me code. Oh my god. So it's based on the prompt anyway. You have to, craft your prompt very well. So let me open a fresh one. Let me reload. Okay, and I'll say please write a website home page content for me. So let's see what's gonna gives. Awesome. So this just is so including headings. Okay, so this short heading, welcome, you understand. So we help your target audience achieve me. So just for example, let us copy anyone. So Bitcoin investment website content. Okay, still thinking. Awesome. Smart Bitcoin investment made simple. For example, we can copy this and come here, so we replace it here. For example, you can say Dix, okay, and you come back here and you say, come back to your ChatGPT and pick some. Can just say can just copy this and you come back here and you paste it here. So that is basically how you are going to edit the full website, and you click on publish, and that's how you're going to save. Okay, so you can go down and whatever you want to edit, you understand, that's just it. So having done that, the next thing we are going to focus on is to go to the home pages. So we have to am I having a bad network? What's going on? So we have home, course, teachers, about, and contact. So we have to change it to our preferred one. So you go to dashboard. Okay, you go to dashboard. We have to change it to but we can also leave all those ones first. Can also leave all those ones. I wanted to change them to login, sign up, and all those blah blah blah. But first, that's not what we want to do first. Let me first of all, since we already have the website front end, this is the website front end. Since we already have it, okay, so we already have the website front end. So let's assume this is the website, crypto website front end. So the next thing we are going to do now is to log into the cPanel area and create the back end where user can invest and do crypto investments. So go to File Manager. We are going to wait for it to load up. It's taking some little time. Awesome. So as you can see, we build this our website inside this domain. So, and we are not going to build install. We build this website inside this domain. Okay, and we are not going to install our script inside this domain. So inside this domain, we just create a folder and we name it. I can name it back end, or I can name it whatever I like. I can say back. You can name it with click on create. Okay, once you click on create, it will just be here. Okay, so for example, it's going to, the URL is going to be this, your domain name / back / what you created. Okay, so it has not come to life. Okay, so sometimes it do take time before it come to life. So but in case of this, for the purpose of this video to be very fast. I don't want to wait for it before it come to light, and I will just use this very domain to do my practical. So as you can see, this very domain already have a website content inside that I did in my previous video, which was a logistics video. So look at it. So this is a logistic video that I did before with that domain, domain. So I'm going to delete whatever I'm going to, whatever I have inside this domain, so I can use it to do my tutorial. And I'll click on delete, okay, permanently. Don't know why it's taking time, but let me reload. Also, as I reload it, so I notice that it has already been deleted. So I'll go to upload and upload my script, and this is the script I'm going to use, and I'm going to wait for it to count to 100% and also turn green. Let me pause this video before you get to 100%. So it has turned 100% and also turned green. So as you can see, it has turned 100% and also turned green. Just click on go back, or you click on this place, anyone you wish, but let me click on go back. It's loading guys. Let's give it some time. So this is the script. Just click on it and you extract it, okay? So once you extract it, click on extract again and you close it. So now this is the extracted folder. You open it and you can even delete this one you extracted if you wish, but just leave it there. And this, you download this. Once you download it, you can delete it if you wish, okay? This, you download it, okay? Once you download it, you can also delete it. Then you extract the main file again, okay? Then once you extract it, you close this place and you reload to see the result. So this is the extracted folder, and you you select everything inside and move it to, you remove it from the folder you extracted it from, and you move it to your URL, that is your domain. That's just it. So let me see if it has already shown on the browser. As you can see, it has already shown on the browser. So what I need to do now is to set the, okay, I'll come back here, I'll go out, create a database, come back here and say database wizard. You click on it, you see you can name your database whatever you like, okay? And I copy it because I want to name my database username the same as my database name. You paste it there, you click on generate password. You keep on generating password until you see the one you like, okay? I think I like this. I'll just copy it and I'll paste it to a notepad where I will make use of. I can see it and make use of it. Not quite long. I see. I have copied this password in a safe place. Use password. And I click on create user. Awesome. So now I can copy my database information and I'll come back here and I'll paste it here, okay? Then I minimize, never, click on all privileges, and I scroll down to click on make changes or next step, anyone you wish. Awesome. I'll return to my control panel. Awesome. I've created my database. So the next thing I'm going to do is to upload my SQL file. You know, I downloaded that SQL file before. This is the SQL file I downloaded, and I will just locate PHP my admin. Okay, this is PHP my admin. I'll just click on it. So once I click on it, I'll just wait for it to load. So my database name was Abstroni. So go to look for it, and I'll just click on it once I find it. So for your own, if you are doing this for the first time, you are not going to see numerous database here. Okay, you are seeing a lot of database here because I've created a lot of database. So this is Abstroni. I just click on it, and I click on import one more time. Then I click on choose file, and this is the SQL. I double click on it and scroll down. Then I click on import. Okay, do this and you won't have issue. I've imported it successfully. Then I can close it if I wish. Then I'll go back to my where I uploaded those scripts, my file, and I can now set the database. Okay, if I want to set the database, I will just locate where can I get the database? Let me go to config folder, config.php. Let me check if this is the right place, or db.php, one of the two. So it's not here. I'll just close it, and I'll go to db.php, click on edit. Awesome. So what I want to do is to collect my database password. Okay, ensure you don't copy with space. If you copy with space with it, you're going to have issue. This was database password, and this is it here. Just click on it, remove whatever you see there, okay, and replace it with this. Then you go back and copy your database username. Copy it without space, and you paste it to the username. Okay, so remember, my database name and username was the same, so I'm not going to go back and copy it. That's why I ensured they were the same. Okay, so for your own, you can choose to use different name, but for simplicity, I use the same thing, so I cannot go there and copy it twice. So I'll just click on save changes. That's just it. I think that's it, and I'll come back here and reload this website. Awesome. So once I reload this website, I can click on sign up, for example. Let me see if it will work. Awesome, it works. And I can click on login. Let me see if it will work. It works. So the next thing is to go back to the website again, and what I want to do is to open this login page in a new tab. Also open this registration page in a new tab. Okay, so I'll grab this. This is the login link. I'll grab it. Okay, then I'll go back to my WordPress. So you know, I told you I'll come here. Then I'll go back to the back end of the website. It's loading, guys. So once it opens for me, I'll go to appearance and I'll go to menu. Okay, so these are my pages. Okay, I want to add a login page. I'll click on custom link. I'll paste the link here, and I'll put the link text as a login. Okay, then I'll click on add menu. Awesome. Let me see if the link is there. Awesome, the link is there. Then I'll go back and grab my sign up link. Okay, and I'll come back here to this WordPress and I'll paste the sign up link here and I'll say register or sign up. Okay, say register and I click on add menu. Awesome. I'll save menu. Awesome. So I can now arrange them. I don't want them to be at the last part. Put them here. Put them here. Okay, put them here. I'll save changes. Okay, once I save it, then I cannot go back to my WordPress website. Let me go to the website. Okay, visit website. Let me see this home page and login, sign up page and login page appears. So look at it, login and register. Once I click login, it will take me to this place. And so I go back to the website and I click register, it will take me to where my user can register. That is just it for that. Then I can come back here and close this place. So close this place, close this place. Awesome. So that has been done. Now I want to access the admin part of this website. Okay, so let me access the admin part of this my crypto investment website. Very simple to build. Okay, if you need anyone you want to build for yourself or for your client, for your company, please contact me and I'll be able to build a robust system for you. Even I can even build any kind of website for you. So you just have to do is to find my number under this video description and you are good to go. When you message me, we'll make arrangements, and that's all. So this is my crypto website. So this is my crypto website and I want to log into the admin. So, and you know I downloaded the admin login details then, so I'll just open it. And so this is the admin domain slash this. Okay, admin URL. So this is the admin URL. So this is the admin URL, and you know, so this is the website. If you want to, it's your domain name. So you focus on the part you uploaded your script to. That is the domain name to your backend. So you know, it was like this. This is dot there. You put slash and you put this here. So then you click on enter. Awesome. Here you can log in to your dashboard of your. So I cannot get the login details of this website. So I think I need to go to file manager and I go to where I uploaded my script PHP, my admin area. Okay, open it, and this is the Armstrong. And one more time I need to go to the admin section. Okay, so I'll click on admin. Sorry guys. Then this is the password here. This is the email. We'll just copy it, paste it here, and this is the password. Copy it and paste it here. And you can also change it to the one you wish. Cool. You can change it to any password or any email, any admin email and admin password that you wish. Okay, so I'll copy it and I'll come back here to paste it. Then I'll click on login. Awesome. this is the dashboard. Okay, this is his dashboard, and as you can see, click on OK. This is the dashboard. This is the user management side. This is the signals. Okay, why is it not giving me what I want? What is happening? Menu. What is this? So okay, let me change my PHP version to 7.7.3. okay, if I want to do that, I'll come back to, I will just search for it, PHP version, select PHP version to either 7.3 or 7.4. Let me see if that is what is affecting it for not showing properly. So currently it's on 8.1, use 7.3, click on apply. Okay. Also, it has set as current. I'll come back and refresh. Then this is the password. Admin. Okay, I think this is it. Click on login. Also, that was the default. Select your PHP to version to 7.3. Then you click on dashboard. This is the dashboard area. User management. All user, you can be able to view all the user from this place. Okay. Let's wait for it to load properly. You can be able to view all the user from this place, and you can also delete anyone that you don't want. Okay, all user, verified user. Okay, so anyone that verify, all those KYC that submitted and verified to appear here. Signals, if you want to add signals, okay, just create your signal here, symbol BSDT, maybe Euro USD. You say, for example, signal can be, maybe you want the market to go up. For forex trading, you want the market to go up. You can just write your entry price. Okay, your entry price. Okay, but for this you can say, for example, this one is Euro USD. Okay, say Euro USD, USD. Okay, so you can say it's 2 minutes or 4 minutes. One amount you are going to trade with, you can say $100, and all these things you are set here. Admin will see it for the buy side. Then you can see buy or sell. You can say sell. Okay, so buy or sell, and you can say sell, and you can also say entry price, closing price. So if you understand how to give signal, you're able to do that. Then you can save the signal. So admin user will save from the other side. You can view signal. So look at the one I created. Okay, set by the one that came with it. Then you can delete them if you wish. Then wallet management, plan request. Okay, if you want to create plan, okay, we'll talk about this from the admin session, but let me wallet management, view wallet. Okay, first let me view wallet. So you can create your wallet here. Bitcoin, you put your Bitcoin wallet here. BNB wallet here. USDT RC20 wallet here. Okay, then Ethereum wallet here. Litecoin wallet here. USDT RC20 wallet here. That's your seed. Once you do it, you click on update. So deposit request, you see it here. So if they deposit, you're able to find it here, and you can also approve it. So there's no deposit here, that's why here is empty. Withdrawal request, the same thing. Once they withdraw, you also approve it from this place. So manage plan, all plans. So you can set your plan here. Okay, you can set it. Once you set it, admin will see from the user will see from the user side. So for example, increase 15%, minimum deposit $300, maximum duration 1 day. Okay, this one is starter plan. We have gold plan, we have premium plan, we have diamond plan, we have gold team plan. So you have to set it according to your taste. Okay, this is a default one. If you want to send mail to all users, you want to give information to all users, you can just create a ticket here, subject, anything. You know how to write your email, then you click on send to all users. But if you want to send mail to a user, don't meet one user at a time. Okay, you want to send mail to a user, it's still the same thing. Do it just the way so we are sending email. Then if you have a message, you can view it from here. If you have a message, here is where you can view it, and once you view it from here, you can now go to send message to me, and you copy the email address that the person used to send you the email. You know you're able to recognize the person email address, and you click on send mail, and you put the email address here, you put the subject here, the message, and you click on send. That's all.